The problem with wireless video transmission system is you need to get extra monitors on set for both the director and the camera crew, not to mention the size and battery weight. So why not going compact? Today we have Vaxis Atomos A5, a 5.5-inch monitor with a built-in transmission system and 1080 proxy recorder. It's possible to use it just as a monitor on top of your camera or a video transmitter and receiver system. You're not limited to one receiver, it's possible to connect multiple A5 receivers and keep each one with a different part of the crew, whether using the A5 monitor as a transmitter or the Atom 500 wireless system and the A5 monitor as a receiver. Oma here, and today we'll have a look at Atom A5. We'll test it a bit on the channel, so you make up your mind if this piece of gear gonna change your life. Let's get started. I believe such a monitor with a built-in transmission system is no doubt a great value on set. I personally prefer minimum gear, and this system is no more than perfect for me. Minimizing the gear connected to your camera offers more portability and better workflow. Atom A5 comes in two forms. You can buy the monitor only with antennas, or you can go with the professional bundle, which includes 2 monitors, a carry case, 5 antennas, 2 screen protectors, a ball head and a mini tripod, monitor strap, and an HDMI cable. Here in this video, you're gonna see me using a different HDMI cable named 001. It's my own brand, and at the moment it's available on Amazon.ae. The A5 is a touchscreen monitor with 1080 resolution and 1000 nits brightness. The system features a dual MPF battery slots, DC power input, and a USB-C power option. I'm gonna probably use it for emergency. The A5 monitor got a micro SD card slot to load the 3D LUTs and save 1080 proxy recording, which we'll have a deeper look at in a bit. On the side, there are 2 HDMI ports, HDMI in and another HDMI loop out, headphone jack. And on the top we got the power button and the 3 other custom buttons for shortcuts. I received this kit from Vaxis a month ago in return for a review on the channel. I put it on test in several shoots, and my feedback here is unbiased. Each monitor is capable to work as a transmitter or a receiver at the same time. All you have to do is to set each monitor to transmission or receiving mode. Changing configuration requires restarting the monitors, which take about 20 to 30 seconds if I'm not mistaken. When I got the kit for the first time, I had a problem connecting the monitors even though it shows it's connected. And when I got in touch with the support team, I've been told that pressing the pair button on both monitors at the same time is mandatory. It worked. Bear that in mind if you got the same problem. The A5 monitor supports 1080 proxy recording in MP4 video format into the micro SD card. You got the option to play back the footage in the A5 monitor as well. Let's get the samples on the computer and check how many bit rates we get with these proxy files. The A5 monitor features a lot of the major specs and settings needed in any professional shoot. It got vector scope, waveform, histogram, pinch to zoom, focus peaking, zebra, force colors, monochrome, safer frame where you can set your own aspect ratio, different anamorphic aspect ratio, supports HDR videos, and loading 3D LUTs presets. Now I'm looking to compare Vaxis A5 monitor to Atomos Ninja 5. Although each monitor is made for a different purpose, it's nice to have them tested side by side. Both monitors are very close in size, 5.5 inch versus 5.2 inch. Ninja 5 features 10-bit recording, which I already have now in my Sony cameras. And with the new paid firmware update, it can go up to 5.9K ProRes RAW with selected cameras. On the other hand, Vaxis A5 features a wireless transmission system and 2 battery slots, and shares many monitor settings available in Ninja 5. And regarding the screen quality, so far I found them quite similar, and Atomos is a less brighter and has more contrast. It's possible to adjust the monitor settings in the menu if you wish to match it with Ninja. However, each monitor deals with false color differently. I'm impressed by the A5 features and functions, and I believe it fits a gap in the market. Indeed, I would consider adding such a setup to my kit, instead of getting a wireless transmission system and 2 other monitors. Vaxis made it more versatile. I got all this gear in one single setup with less hassle. Thank you for watching, guys, and I hope this video helped in making your decision. Show me a thumbs up and bump that subscribe button for more camera reviews. This was Oma, and see you in another one.